Last time we uncovered the hidden causes of snoring, but today it's time for solutions. Sleep apnea is treatable, but first it needs to be recognized. If you or someone you love snores loudly, wakes up gasping, or feels exhausted despite sleeping for hours, it's time to take action. Treatment options include 1. Lifestyle changes. Losing weight, avoiding alcohol before bed, and sleeping on your side can help reduce airway blockage. 2. CPAP machines. These devices keep your airway open by delivering a gentle stream of air while you sleep. 3. Oral appliances. Custom-made devices that reposition your jaw and tongue to keep the airway clear. 4. Surgery. In some cases, procedures to correct the soft palate, uvula, or throat structure may be necessary. Final message. Snoring isn't just a nighttime nuisance, it's a warning. If you snore loudly, wake up feeling tired, or notice pauses in breathing during sleep, don't ignore it. Talk to your doctor. Get tested. Because protecting your sleep could mean protecting your life. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more health tips, real science, and practical advice to keep your body strong and your mind sharp.